morning, good evening, wherever you might be. My name is Don Oshman, HideNet.com, and we're happy to bring you another edition of the United States and European and Latin American HideNet Week in Review. We've been on hiatus for the last few weeks, but we're back, and to give you information coming up into the Shanghai Fair, which will be next week. And in Europe this week, European editor Andrea Guola reports in Bologna that Italian tanners are back to work this next week after August holidays, and many are expecting lower prices because they say there's too many European cows that they can't absorb them and China can't absorb them. But that's what the tanners say. They're hoping for some liquidation to take place in Shanghai next week, as are a lot of people. The dollar strength against the Europe has helped European tanners, and it's encouraged more Italian buying of U.S. web blue because of the exchange. So they're becoming more attractive, and it helps them compete favorably with their supplies that they can buy in Europe. And as somebody said, the American web blue sellers might be spending more time with the Italian tanners at the fair than they are with the Chinese tanners. Veal skins remain strong in Europe. European bulls are stable, but there's some negative signs. And on the sheep and lamb market, Turkey says they will impose a duty on rawhide exports to Italy. I love it when government gets in between the hide business, or any business. Latin America, Brazil saw major price drops since our last report. TR1 is now selling between $1 and $1.05 CFR, and still less demand than there is supply. Supply exceeds demand, thus the big drop in prices. In Argentina, and again, and Brazilian tanners hope that the fair will become a panacea. In Argentina, prices were steady, and in Paraguay, TR1 CFR is now $1.15. Uruguayan slaughter as for month of August was down 14% a year ago, but overall up for the year. In North America, the market essentially found a bottom last week and even bounced a bit, but there was no follow-through. So FOB prices in Texas now, this past week, between $49 and $51.50. You can add on what normally it takes to get it overseas and commissions and so on and so forth. In America, cows were a little bit firmer. Tanners seem to be waiting to see who will give them the best price for when they visit them and when they see them at the Shanghai Fair. They do not have a big open to buy. They seem to have adequate inventory, and they're all waiting for a pickup in shoe leather orders, which hasn't happened yet. During the fair next week, HideNet and APLF, along with sponsor Smith & Zoon, we're sponsoring a leather conference called Sustainability in Leather Production. A great lineup of speakers. You won't want to miss it. If there's a few seats, you can get them by going to HideNet.com, and you'll see the advertisement, and you can click to register again if you can still get in. Thanks for watching. That's it for this week. We'll see you next week. Bye.